Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I would love to thank you all for your love and continuous support. And yay, we hit 10k subscribers. So all the makeup details and everything will be linked in the description box below. Please go through it. First, you can take any Kajal and apply it on your lower lid. The reason why I'm applying in my lower lid is because I want to blend it out and map out onto where my wing should end. And then I'm going to take a flat fluffy brush and slowly start blending my lower lid. And then eventually I'm going to take it up and draw a very slight line of wing. I'm just going to pull it up to a wing, as you can see there, and then take the same kajal on the same flat brush and slowly start patting it onto your upper lid. When you are working on with dark shadows like black or dark brown or any dark shadows, you are supposed to apply little at a time. Do not pack it up with lots of shadow because it will end up becoming very messy, and when you try to blend it, it'll be all over your face and your eyes. So blending is the key, and on top of that, slowly build it up. Do not go overboard. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to take a neutral shade and start packing it up in my crease and then blend it out, so that the black shadow, the reason we blend is because when we apply a dark shadow, it is not supposed to look like a drawing. It should blend it away onto your upper eyelid and it should look smoky. That's what smoky is called, right? So as you can see, I'm blending it up slowly at a time, and in between I take a bit of a shadow. If the black is disappearing, I'll take the shadow and I'll pack it and slowly. So you have to build it eventually. Do not go overboard by packing lots of shadows. So do that like how I'm doing. Pat, blend until your hands bend. Just kidding. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing in my lower lash line, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a wet tissue and wipe all the fallout and raise my wing up as how I want, and then I'm going to apply a primer and then a concealer. If you're a person who has dark circles, then I suggest you to use any red lipstick or any color corrector which is in red color, and then put a concealer on it so that your dark circles get covered. So another thing is, when you're applying foundation or concealer, please do not tug your skin, do not pull your skin. Pat. That is the main thing which you're supposed to do when it comes to foundation or concealer. Just pat it up, and then when you use the beauty blender, any sort of marks or brush strokes and all, they'll get neutralized and you will get a very smooth finish. And then you can take any translucent powder and pack it up so that your eyeshadow doesn't melt or your concealer doesn't crease. Everything is set into place. That is the reason we use a transparent or translucent powder. As you can see, as you all are seeing, I'm packing up my upper lid also with a kajal because we don't want any bald spots, and then we apply mascara, after which I'm going to apply falsies. But before that, I would like to tell you that you don't have to apply falsies because your lid is already dark and a handful of mascara will help. But if you want that extra drama, then you can go for lashes. But here, as you can see, it looks already good, and now the look is enhanced. So yeah, that's the key. Just blend small shadows, one thing at a time, and then you blend. So here I'm not using any sort of shimmers or highlighters. I want it to be totally matte. So you can take any color which is closest to your skin color. So I have a warm golden undertone, so that's why I've taken that and packed it into my inner corner and my brow bone. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope I helped you. Thanks a lot for coming to. I'm gonna see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.